Hi, I am now introducing myself. I am Professor Kali Chandrakant. So I am a retired teacher. So my qualifications are MSc, MEd and Diploma in Computer Science. So I have retired from lastly Rai Shikshan Samsthas, Karmayur Bhaurao Patil, College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Satara in 2011. So I have acquired my qualification through different areas. So I completed my BSc in 1972 from Shivaji University, and I am belongs to Dayan College, Solapur. Then I shifted to Kolhapur in Shivaji University for getting my MSc degree. So I acquired MSc Physics in 1974. Then I searched for jobs. So during those days, the there is changeover system from L1 plus 4 to 10 plus 2 plus 3. Due to this, so I have number of problems for getting services. So therefore, even though I am MSc, I have served for 2 years in high schools in Solapur districts. During those days, again, I acquired my B.Ed from Gulbarga University. Then I joined HM College, Karad of Rai Shikshan Samsthas, biggest college. And during again in the while working in junior college of HM College, Karad, I acquired MA degree also. So these are then I continued for 9 years in junior college at HM College, Karad. Then in August 1986, I shifted from junior college to engineering college, Rai Shikshan Samsthas, Karmayur Bhaurao Patil, College of Engineering, Satara. And I joined as a lecturer, then finally retired as associate professor in February 2011. Then 2 years I worked as a visiting lecturer there. Then the new college, Dhanasri Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sajjangarh, Satara started, and I shifted there and joined as Dean Academics. So I worked as Dean Academics 4 years in Dhanasri Institute. Then I helped in developing the new institute there. Then after that, I only associated with adjunct professor now at Dhanasri Institute. So during all these days, I have delivered number of things. I have done number of things. I delivered lecture on All India Radio Satara on holography. Then I delivered number of lectures in various institute of Rai Shikshan Samsthas from 5 to 6 districts on easy methods of drawing diagrams in physics at 12 standard. So these during that time I also acquired diploma in computer science degree. For that purpose, a project work I have done, and I developed a software to study the crystal structure also in basic. Now it is outdated. Now I worked as member of admission committee in KBP college, member of journal committee, in charge of timetable committee, member of purchase committee, and worked as senior supervisor, paper setter, examiner, moderator at Red Talent Search examination, and also member of electronic technology committee and member of board of studies of general engineering and also electronic engineering in Shivaji University. Then I have worked as member of physics teacher selection committee in Shivaji University. So during this I arranged workshop on teaching methodology in KBP College, then also workshop on diagrams in physics 12th standard of Residency Samstha Junior College teachers. I have guided a number of students during admission process. I have conducted tests on IQ, EQ and personalities for students. I have done faculty training, developed new technology of teaching methods, micro teaching and evaluation. Presently, also working as counselor for career selection for students of 10 to 12 standard up to the graduate level based on psychometric test in association with Talent Assessment and Analytics Services, Pune. From this, I can search on psychometric test, which is a patented software. From that, we can test the students. Near about 700 questions are there. Using those question base, we can get the personality trends, skills, learning style, multiple intelligence, and based on that, a proper 3 careers are selected, and it will give the proper guidance to the students. Nearly 50 students I have guided in that matter. Recently, I started writing blogs from August 2020. Up till now, 21 blogs I have posted on motivation and basics physics, and also started my YouTube channels. Now 14 videos are posted in YouTube. These are mostly related with techniques of drawing diagrams at 12th standard physics. I have vision that near about in 20 years from then, near about 2035, I want to guide more than 1 lakh students of 10th and 12th standard students to get for smarter learning using my skills and experience. And also my mission is near about 1 year I can guide 1000 students for better learning and acquiring more marks in physics. So if you want to contact me, you visit my blogspot https://cskali.blogspot.com, and also YouTube channel Chandrakant Kali. My WhatsApp number is 9423816507. My email address is kalics51@gmail.com. So you go to my YouTube channels, also go to blogspots and subscribe there, like that, put a comment, and I will welcome to you. So this is my total biodata. So friends, you contact me. I am here to teach freely basic physics because of more than 40 years of teaching experience, and also I have done relations with spirituality and science. So you are welcome through these YouTube channels or blogspots, or you can directly WhatsApp me and I can guide with basic physics and so on. Thanking you.